Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to associate your Google account with any device on laptop. So first you open your Google, then in the top right corner you will see your profile icon. You click on that. Then in the options you will see the option manage your Google account. You click on that. Then in the left sections you will see the third one, security and sign in. You click on that. Then you scroll down till you find your devices. You are going to click on manage all devices. Then you will see the sessions opened on your Windows, the sessions opened on Android phone, and the sessions opened on iOS iPhone. So you choose whatever you want, you click on that, then you enter your password, you confirm, then you can manage anything related to that associated device. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.